So I wanted to talk about the motorized kit, the 49cc friction-driven kit. And I've seen a lot of mixed reviews about this online, whether good, bad. So I'm going to talk about it's not really is it good, is it bad, it's kind of personal opinion and how you like to ride your bikes. But I'm going to give you the pros and cons of it. Some information about the bike. I think the engine is, I think it's a 2.5, 3 horsepower engine, 49cc. This tank is 2.5 liters. You can get a 3.5 liter, which I'm soon to get because it's awesome. The 2.5 liter will give you about, I'm going to say 60 to 70 miles a tank, depending on how hard you're pushing it. I mean, if you're going to cruise at 20 and lower the whole time, you'll easily get 70. The top speed I've ever gotten on this bike, this motor, I haven't done a top speed yet because it's brand new and I want to let it break in for the next month or so. So I'm only going under 20. I mean, my top speed is 21. So my other bike, my Walmart hybrid that I use, my top speed I think was 35, and that was on a slight downhill. But again, when you put the whole point of a lock and load friction kit is there's this little lever you can top off in the back, and what you do is you can lift it up and down to get the right height on the wheel and stuff. So that's where a lot of people mess up. They'll either put it too hard down where you're gonna ruin the bearings of the wheel that propels your tire, and you're just it's gonna be impossible to ride. Or they're gonna put it too light where the wheel will just spin on the tire and wear down the tire over time. You just it comes after time. You'll find that comfy spot where it's perfect, and which I finally found that comfy spot after 3 kits later. So yeah, top speed around 35 on it. Going straight, you can hit 27, 30, but you don't want to stay on there that long because you'll ruin the flyweight springs on your clutch, and it'll be a bad time. You'll have to keep replacing those. I learned that the hard way by walking my bike 20 miles one time back home. So I say the first pro about this thing is it's literally the world's easiest motorized kit to build. For me, when I built it on that video, it took me about an hour and a half to do it, which compared to the other ones I have built before, that's cake. Because there's no chain, there's no torque converter, there's no shaft, there's none of that. It just connects to that black box, you put it on the back wheel, and that's that. I say another good thing about this kit is how universal it is to different bikes. I mean, when you put on, let's say those two-stroke motors, right, or even just a 4-stroke motor in the middle of the frame, right, you have to have a frame big enough to put it in there, otherwise there's just no way it's going to fit without modification. This bike, I mean, there's no way a 4-stroke or even 2-stroke motor would fit in the middle of this frame. So having to completely get rid of that whole situation and be able to just stick it on the back, oh, it helps so much. I'd say another positive about this kit is that when you have your chain on and everything, these kind of bikes, if you tend to pedal, okay, you see how I'm pedaling right now, if you pedal with a chain on, even with the motors off, it tends to be really, really difficult to do that, just because of the chain and it pulls it. It's kind of just rolls free. It's a little bit, obviously it's heavier than a normal bike, and it takes a little bit more force to do so, but it's a lot easier than the other ones, and that's another thing why I like this kit. Alright, now for some cons about this kit. First con I'd say is there's no torque whatsoever. It takes a while to get up to speed. Again, it depends on what you're running, like it depends on what kind of wheel you got. I mean, the smoother the wheel, the easier it'll be to get up to speed. Like, the wheel I put on here is absolutely amazing. This is by far the smoothest bike I've put on, and it just runs like butter. It's only the second day I've had this, but it runs like butter as of right now. So But yeah, it takes a while to get up to speed. You can't just go from a complete stop and just twist it really hard all full throttle, because that wheel's just gonna slip and slip on your tire, and you're just gonna get a flat tire after a little bit. So it's unlike the chain ones. This is one of the main downsides of it, that you just can't go from straight just stop to full throttle and expect it to go somewhere. It'll go somewhere, just not very fast, and you'll ruin your tire really fast. But yeah, that's the main con about this thing, and as of right now, the only one that I can find is that you can't go from a complete stop, which sucks a lot. But I mean, it is what it is. Because you gotta, this clutch, you have to remember, this clutch is not meant to go from stop and go. You don't want to modify this kind of kit to be able to do that. You're just going to burn your clutch out so fast, and it's just going to be the end of that. That's what happened to me on my other bike. I tried to go full throttle all the time from almost a complete stop, and my clutch completely stopped working after, I think, 200 miles, which is complete crap. But yeah. So again, back to, is it worth it or not? It really depends. If you're trying to go fast as me, if you're trying to go Sonic fast everywhere and anywhere, which is what I used to try to do, this is definitely not the kit for you. This kit is more for the guy who doesn't mind taking some time to go up to speed, doesn't care about how fast that you're getting there, as long as you're getting there faster, you know? That's why I have it. This is my just touring bike. I mean, I'll make it a little bit comfier when the time comes, but I mean, as of right now, it works. I mean, it's great. It's nice and small. It can fit in a storage, no problem whatsoever. This is my third, keep in mind, I'm doing this review not because I just bought the bike, oh, I have so much experience on it. No, because this is my third bike I've had this kit on. The first one was a 29-inch Diamondback mountain bike. The second, I'll put a picture up. Second one was a crappy, this is the second best one I've had. It was a Walmart bike it was like a 700cc Walmart bike with this kit on it, and it was an interesting one. It was weird. It was really comfortable, but the tires were so thin that it was just scary to ride. So far, this is the one this is the second thickest tires, but this thing runs so smooth, and it gets up to speed a lot faster than all my other bikes, and I don't know if it's because it's a lighter bike. This is the smoothest tires I had, but I don't know if it's because it's a lighter bike, or I don't know what, but maybe I built it better than the other ones. I have no clue, but I absolutely love this thing, and I'm hoping to keep this thing for a long time. So yeah, that's my opinion on this kit. I mean, as of right now, it works, it's awesome. So if you like the videos, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm planning on doing a lot more, and the audio will get better, trust me. I'm waiting for an adapter for my mic to plug into the GoPro. So yeah, once that happens, oh man, these will be great. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and keep riding.